I'm excited to share yet another great selection of new features that we shipped. From now on, our new updates will be available on the App Store. And everything that I'm showing today is available in the App Store version that you can download right now. So we have an exciting lineup of new features that will make your life easier when you record, remix, or share video with Detail. With improvements to the editing experience, multi-channel audio, and magical AI highlights, we're going to help you produce better video even faster. First, starting with my favorite, you can now add external video to your Detail project. Let me actually show you how that works. There's an existing recording in this timeline, and now I can actually import new video into this project. So I'm grabbing a file from my hard disk, and this is an animation that I downloaded from the web. So this is an example title screen, and right there it is in your timeline. You can use external video to add an intro or an outro to your video, create animated title screens, or edit any video in seconds in Detail. You can get started with an external video by just importing it into your timeline, or you add the external video into your timeline after you recorded your video. On to the next feature. We now also support drag and drop for clips in your timeline. So you can quickly split clips and reorder them to your liking. If you discover that you made a mistake while recording, or if you want to do a retake, you can actually record that take at the end of your timeline and then move it back into the timeline at the spot that you want to replace. So let me show you. I'm actually splitting this clip now. So I'm using the X key to split it, or on my mouse, split clip. Now I have a few separate clips here, and I can actually reorder these clips. So I'm switching the scene for this clip, and now I'm dragging it into position, and I change the order. So with these basic editing features, you can quickly shape up your timeline, drag and drop different clips, get the external video into your timeline, and then export your project to share it online. At Detail, it's our goal to streamline your video workflow, and we want to make it much easier to produce high quality video and quickly share great video output anywhere online. But editing video can be really time consuming and challenging. Now we're introducing a new AI feature that actually takes the highlights of your video and turns it into shareable clips that you can instantly post online. So this is one of the first features that we're building using AI, and we're really excited to see how we can streamline your video workflow by taking an existing video, turning it into tiny clips that you can instantly share as stories on Instagram, TikTok, or other social channels. Let me actually show you how this works. So in Detail, whenever you export a video, it ends up in your library. When you upload your video through your library, it will get a private URL that's only known to you. You control who has access to this URL, and you can also remove a video from your account page. On this private URL, you can find the actual video, a transcript of the video, and AI generated highlights. So everything that you're seeing on this page was actually generated by AI, whether it's the title, the description of this video, the hashtags, and the individual highlights that we're showing on this page. You can try this with any video. So you can take any video that you exported with Detail, or videos that you added to your Detail library, upload them to our servers, and you'll automatically get an overview of highlights for this video. And you can instantly post your video from the web straight to YouTube, including chapter markings for all of these highlights. And we really see this as a starting point to help you make better content faster. Sometimes the highlights are not super accurate yet, but you can instantly edit them, and they typically provide a really excellent starting point when you share your video somewhere else online. I'm really excited for all the other things that we can do with AI. And this is just the beginning. So soon we'll be adding these types of highlights to your timeline as well, so you can identify the most important parts of your video while editing, and you know where to put your focus when you're producing better video. We now support multi-channel audio in Detail. So when you connect an external device like a Rodecaster to record a podcast, we can record every single channel that it outputs. You can find these audio files in your library if you inspect the project. So if you go to Detail Project and you go to Show Source in Finder, you can actually see the data structure, and you'll be finding the raw audio files in this folder as well. With this feature, you can actually record multi-channel audio and multicam video in one go. In the next few weeks, we'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how you can use this powerful feature in your podcasting workflow. So to wrap it up, we now support external video in your timeline. You can easily move clips around in the timeline with drag and drop reorder. We have multi-channel audio, and we have the magical AI highlights to make it easier to identify the most important parts of your video. And all of this is now available in the App Store. You can install the App Store version over your existing installation by just going to the App Store and download Detail now. Please leave us a review on the App Store if you like what we're doing. Subscribe to this channel if you want to get more tips and tricks on how to improve your video. And join us on Discord at detail.co/discord if you want to share best practices, get tips and tricks, or need any support on our product. Looking forward to see what you're going to create with detail.